guys, it's me, also the large fan, and where do you think we are? We're not at home. This is not our house. Hello, Daniel. Yeah. We're not telling you what the village hall is called, or where the place is. Get off me! Here we can see my classmate pulling a goods train, aka David. No, not David here. Get out the camera! And there's Brooke on the side of it. David, you disappointed me. Get out the camera! And here you can see I've cut my finger just trying to modify Ginty. Yes, Tommy. So, yeah. As you can see, there goes the engine, and it's going to come off the rails right now. This is now going to be added to the official British Railway derailment book, and it's classified. And it's tea time. We'll see you later, guys.